Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Exclusions, and in today's video I will be going over how to create your own website absolutely free. If you have watched my videos on this in the past and you've been having trouble, then this video will fix that. I am hoping that this will be the most comprehensive tutorial on this subject on all of YouTube. With that being said, if you are interested in receiving updates whenever I do post a video, then please subscribe. And if you have any issues during this tutorial, please comment. Let's start the process by going over what you will need. The things required are a web browser, an FTP client such as FileZilla, and an email account. So once you have everything that is required to start this tutorial, what you're going to want to do is open up a web browser and go to freenom.com. Once you are on the Freenom website, you will see a dialog box right in the center of your screen, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in the domain name that you want. And you do not have to have a dot anything at the end of it, just type in the name. Once you continue to the next page, you will see that you have 5 options between domain names, whether it be a .tk, a .ml, a .ga, a .cf, or a .gq. Now all 5 of these are absolutely free. In this video I decided to go with a .tk, and a .tk is usually my favorite one to go with. So whichever one you want, just click on get it now and you can continue to the next page. So on this page, the only thing you want to mess with is the drop down box, which is the period of time you get to have this domain. Of course, this won't last forever, but a full year for a free domain is actually pretty good, and it won't really take you that long to decide whether you want a website or not. Domain names are really cheap, so you can always just buy one for $1 or something like that. You can always get a cheap domain name whenever you really feel the need to. But a year is good, and you're going to click 12 months and you're going to click continue. So this page is basically just your review, and you will see that it is $0. If it's not $0, go back and check if you selected something incorrectly. It should be $0. And you're going to want to enter your email address and click on verify. From here, just go to your email address and click on the link that they send you and check your spam folder. That's where my email was sent for some reason, so check your spam folder. Click on the link that they send you and you will see this page. You're going to want to fill this page out with accurate information, then click complete order. So once you complete the order, you should be getting a verification sent to your email shortly, but that really doesn't matter, so you can continue on to the next step. So from here, you're going to click on go to client area, then from the client area, you're going to click on services and then my domains. From here, just click on Manage Domain and then leave this tab open while we continue on to the next step. Alright, so from here, what you're going to want to do is open up a new tab in your web browser while keeping the other one open, and you're going to type in freewha.com. Now this is my current favorite free host to go to. Now these are always changing. I always find better ones to use. So if I do find a better one, chances are I'll make an update video just on the host. And the domain portion will always stay the same in my opinion, because I've been using this method for about 3 or 4 years already. So on this free web hosting area, you're going to see a bunch of stuff coming around, the features, and I really like this free web host because they've been pretty reliable so far, pretty good uptime, good speeds. So you're going to want to go to free domain hosting, and it says for already registered domains. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy your domain, or if you remember it, just type it into the box. Make sure you type in .tk or whatever domain you had. Don't type in the wrong domain. Now this is the domain you obviously created before. And once you type it in, you're going to click on proceed. So this is the sign up page. What you're going to want to do is just put in your email and your password. Pretty simple on this page. Now this page that pops up next is actually a pretty important page. And what I always like to do is I always right click and click on save as. And this will save the page, and I would do that honestly because it saves all the information that you really ever need about your website. So you're gonna, once you click on save that, you have the file on your computer if you ever need to check back on it. You're gonna want to copy the primary name server, and once you copy the primary name server, you're gonna want to go back to your domain on the Freenom website. And once you're there, you're going to want to click on Management Tools and click on Name Servers. Now once you're there, you're going to want to click on Use Custom Name Servers. Name server that you copied, you want to paste that in, and you're going to want to paste it in 2 lines, and you're going to want to change one of those to NS2. So you have NS1 and NS2. And once you have exactly what I have, click on Change Name Servers. So once you have your name servers configured, you're going to want to wait a couple of minutes. Once you wait around 5 minutes, you can visit your website. If you see a message saying upload your files provided by your web host, then you're on track. However, if you do not see this message, the name servers either did not update properly or you messed up somewhere before that. So now that you have your domain linked to a web host, you're probably asking yourself what to do now. Well, first you're going to want to log into your website through the members area of freewebhostingarea.com. On here, you see plenty of options, but really only focused on the FTP information. Once you see your FTP information, you're going to want to copy that and match it up with your FileZilla client. Now, if you do not know how to do this, basically your web host name is the exact same thing as your website, and your username is the same, then your password matches up with the password of your account. Now, the only thing I have to pick on about this website host is that sometimes their FTP does not work properly. Now, I bet if you shoot them an email, they'll probably fix it for you, but I've had one account that just FTP would not work. So if that happens to you, then I would email them and they would probably fix it. So once you see that your FTP information is working correctly, all the changes to be made to your website are really up to you at this point. The only thing I can really tell you guys is that the file you're going to want to be editing is the hostindex.html file, and to edit it, you're just going to drag it to your desktop and open it in your favorite text editor. If you know HTML, you're going to open it in your favorite text editor, then you'll just make edits like that. But there's templates online. I do have a video on this. If you guys want to see that, just check it on my channel. And you're just basically just going to override the hostindex.html file with all the changes you really want to make to your website. But if you guys do need any help from here, this video is to get your website up. But I will be making videos in the future probably on website creation as far as past the domain and past the host. So if you guys didn't like this video, please leave a like on it, comment if you have any issues, comment anything else, and I'll see you guys in my next video.